Hello everyone, this is Shani Kumar Gupta. Welcome to all of you our online class. My dear student, today I am going to teach you of class 6 math, and today discuss about exercise 1.3. Before class we have discussed about back chapter, and today I am discuss about 1.3, that's question of approximate and comparison the number. My dear students, you also know how to comparison the number. Comparison means just like here one example, here 9 and here 8. So that's the comparison the number when you read in class 1 2 3 4 5 and whatever, and that's you also know that's the thing of equal to is greater than and is lower than. Okay, so that's the thing of equal to is the greater than and lower. So that's here 9 and here 8. You comparison which is large and which is a smallest number. 9 and 8 available, then which number is a smallest and which number is largest number. So my dear students, 8 is a smallest number and 9 is largest number, and that's the greatest number is 9 and the smallest number is 8. So when you comparison in both number, that's 9 is greater than 8, so you put that thing. Okay, if here 9, then you says what's your answer? It means your answer is 9 and 9. That's the comparison of number equal to. That's equal to. Okay, 9 and 9. That's 9 here and 9 here also. 9 and 9 equal to. So that's your answer. That's the comparison of number. Example for that. The first question. Fill in the blanks. The appropriate thing form equal to is greater than and is small lower. So that's here 999 and 1000, which is a smaller and which is largest number. So here that's one topic. Firstly, you count the all number. First you count the all number. It means here 3 numbers and here 4 digits. So which is greater? 4. So that's so simple. If both number are same, just like here 1 2 3 4 5 number, 1 2 3 4 number, that's you also know that's number is okay. If both number is equal, just like here 9001 999 plus 1, it means 1000, and here 1 tens 100,000 10,000, so that's here. Okay, so that's you also know how to suggest. And next question expresses the following approximate terms. Approximate terms means just like nearest, just about nearest. So firstly you count down number, that's 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakhs, to 6 digit lakhs, so 1,29,680. Okay, that's the form of equation. And how to approximate? It means 129, so you approximate, so 130 lakhs also, 130 lakhs. Why? Because that's the number. When you see the number, if that number is larger than, okay, larger than more than 5, so you also add after one number, then you and another number replaced by 0, so that answer is 1,30,000. Okay, so that's your answer. What's your answer? 1,30,000. And here 1, so that's not in form of more than 5, is less than 5, so you also replace all number by 0, so 1 lakhs here 190000 you write here. Okay, so that's your answer. So my dear student, 1.3 that's question. And in 1.4, that's all question of just like practical based question. You read the question, then you also write the answer. Just like here, your first question says Mr. Gupta use 3715 kg 400 gram. of steel of construction his building. Okay, and Mr. Sharma use 4825 kg and 250 grams of steel in his building. Find the total steel of building both of them. It means firstly you add the both number and give your answer in kg and gram, also only in gram. So firstly my dear student, firstly you write in practical ways question, just like here numerical question. Okay, so firstly Mr. Gupta used a steel constructed his building is equal to 3715 kg and 400 gram. Okay, next Mr. Sharma used construction in his building, and that's 4825 kg and 250 grams. Okay, and next you add the both number, and that's answer is come in kg and gram. Next you convert in gram. So you also know 1 kg 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, which kg, suppose if 5 kg 300 gram, so you multiply with 5 multiply 1000 plus 3. Okay, it means 5300. That's your answer in gram. So just like you also write it. Okay, are you understand? And next question says find the difference of steel use Mr. Gupta and Mr. Sharma in question number 1. Second number question says differences between how many steels used by Mr. Gupta and how many kg and gram used by Mr. Sharma. So you subtracted by that number. It means which is more than 4825 kg 250 grams minus 3715 gram kg 400 gram minus. After that you get your answer. Okay, so that's the practical based question. You also solve it. Then if you have any problem, you also say I solve your problem. And second, next chapter is Roman numbers. My dear students, some written by me. If you not understand my writing, then you also say I also explain what I write. That's a Roman numerals. It means chapter number 1.5. Okay, Roman numerals. It means here one of the early system of the writing numerals is the system of Roman numerals. It means that's also a system of numbers. You also know there are two types of number system. First Hindu Arabic, and second Roman numerals. So Hindu Arabic in back chapter, and that's a Roman numerals also. And there are 7 basic symbols to write any symbol, just like 1 I V X L C D M, and that's a very short, very useful for you. I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, and L is equal to 50, and C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, and M is equal to 1000. Okay, my dear student. And another thing, if in questions says write more than 500,000, so how to write? So if bar, it means v upon bar is placed over, it means which overlap of the number, that's one bar is equal to multiplied of 1000. Just like here example, b upon bar is equal to 5 multiplied 1000, it means 5000 your answer. If overlap of bar on x, that's your 10,000 answer. Okay, and next some important rules here. You also read the important rules and write in your copy, because if you don't know about this rule, after that you not understand in upcoming question answer. Okay, so that's the first rule. Only I X C M can be repeat. It means only that number can be repeat, and V L and D never repeat. You read all numbers. Okay, and next no any symbol in a Roman number can be repeated more than 3 times. It means in that period in Roman numerals, no any symbols repeated more than 3 times. Okay, and fourth number says when subtraction is Roman numerals, when subtraction in Roman numerals. So that's the rule here. Okay, V, L and D are never subtracted. It means you know anytime subtracted of V, L, D. Okay, next I can be subtracted from V and X only. I only one subtracted by V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C only. It means L can be subtracted only for only L and C. Okay, and last one is C can be subtracted from D and M only. Okay, next we have a start just like in your book is has some topics, you also read their types. Okay, and let us start our first question answer. It means 1.5. Okay, in first question here, write the Roman numerals for each of the following. How to write Roman numerals, my dear student? Firstly you write 1 to 100 Roman numbers. Okay, if you write down 100 to 1 to 100 Roman numbers, then you have no any problem in another Roman numbers. Okay, just like here 33. How to write 33, my dear students? If 10 is equal to here, then 10 and then 10 also, that's your 30, and next year 33, 1 2 and 3, that's your answer. Just like here 40. So you also know 40. How to write 40? If 1 2 3, if you write 4 times of x, that's not good. It means not right, that's your wrong answer. So how to write 40? So x here, L means 50 and subtracted by x, then you get your number XL is equal to 40. Next you write 48. How to write 48? So what is the number of how to write 8? So that's your 1 2 3 4. Okay, it means 5. So here XL VII and triple I is equal to 48. So here that's the 40 and that's the 8. Okay, so my dear students, you understand how to write the numbers, Roman numbers. Okay, if another question here, if next question, Hindu Arabic, how to write Hindu Arabic? Okay, so firstly you see here LX, L means 50, X means 10 plus 10, next plus 10, next plus 2, so 50. Okay, next 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2, 50 10 60 10 70 plus 2, and it means 72. That's your answer. L is equal to 50, x is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 and 2 is equal to 2. So if you not understand how to write, then you convert in part by part. Just like another example here, second number 10 CX, it means C means LCDM. You see here, C is equal to, see here, what's a C is equal to L C C D M. Okay, C means 100, C means 100 and D means 500. C means 100, C means 100. Okay, it means here C means 100 and before x it means minus 10, that's your number is 90, and plus 1 is equal to, your answer is 91. So my dear student, are you understand how to write numbers name and how to write in numerals? So firstly you all question answer complete, and that's a quick recall also, you also complete. And that's one another things I want to say. If any question says how to write, just like here b bar is equal to, b is equal to 5 and bar is equal to 1000 multiple. Okay, so that's your answer is 5000. If 10 bar, next you also, if 4 bar, multiply with 1000. Okay, so that's your answer. Okay, so firstly you write in fair copy also, you write 1 2 Roman number 1 to 100 Roman number. Okay, then you write your start your 1.5 question answer. Okay, then if you have any problem, then you also say what you not understand. And my dear students, you stay home, save your life, and continue your study. Okay, thank you.